Hey everyone, and thanks for renting our Don Aslett's carpet cleaning machines. These things work great. Now, when working on areas in the carpet, you're going to want to pre-treat first before you put all this together. That's very important. Give the stain time to remove. Using one of our favorites, our stain and odor remover from Clean It, and then using our agitator brush, you can get the spots done really well. Now, we're going to move over to the carpet machine and show you how to put it together. Okay, on most of these machines, there's a vacuum button and a solution button. We're not going to touch these for now as we prepare the machine for water. This is the clean water tank right here. I'm going to pour hot water with your bucket into the clean water tank. Now that I poured the water in, you're going to use a solution, and it's called Carpet Rinse and Neutralizer. Now you're only going to use a couple ounces of this in the water tank, okay? And our professionals will advise you on what type of chemicals depending on what you're dealing with on the carpet. But the carpet rinse will help neutralize any harsh chemicals that you would have pre-sprayed on your carpet, okay? Now you're going to put just a couple ounces of this in the water, and this will freshen up your carpet, okay? Too much, it will make it sudsy, and then you will have dirtier carpet faster. So don't do too much. Now, you're gonna hook your machine up with all the tools, okay? So we have the solution hose, which the solution hose goes into this one, okay? Once that's hooked up, you'll hook the other end into your wand. Either this wand, okay? Or we have a handheld wand that you can use for carpets or upholstery. And unique, then you can plug that in, okay? Once these are plugged in, your solution hose is ready to go. Then we go to your vacuum. Hook up your vacuum hose, just like that, and that wand's ready to go. And then hook it to your machine. Right here, you have to put a little pressure, move back and forth until it's on there really nice and tight. And now you're going to use this electrical cord, which is on the back. Plug that in. Now you can turn on the vacuum and the solution button, and that will turn on the machine and you'll be ready to go. After you're finished doing the carpet job in your home, you're going to take this black hose and you're going to put it in the good tank of water and suck out all the water, and that's how you get all the clean water out of our machines. It will go into the bad tank. Okay, now it's time to dump the bad water, and you can see what the carpet extractor gets. Look how dirty this is going to be. That's just straight brown. Oh, that's what's coming out of our carpets. And we clean it often.